Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some chili, and it's gonna be the easiest chili recipe ever, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. We're gonna start with cutting 1/4 of an onion and just dice it up in small pieces. Next we're going to use 4 cloves of garlic, and we're going to finely dice them also. And then transfer them into a bowl, or you can just directly transfer them to the pot, it doesn't matter. Turn your stove on medium, high heat, and add your olive oil. And we're just going to saute them until they are translucent. Add in 1 pound of ground turkey, and you want to break down your ground turkey into small pieces also. Add more olive oil if you need to. Next you're going to use smoked paprika. I used about a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of cumin, and then you want to do 2 to 3 generous pinches of oregano. You can do dried or fresh. Mix it all together. Okay, now for the beans, we're going to use 1 can of kidney beans and 1 can of black beans. Now you want to pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes. I use the fire roasted, but you can do just the regular one, it doesn't matter. But I feel like the roasted one, it gives it a better flavor. And then you want to do some green chilies. So just chop those up in small pieces, just like the onions and the garlic. And then just transfer them into your pot. Then you want to do a 1/2 cup of chicken broth or stock. And then you can do 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Let it simmer so it can incorporate all of the juice. Once you let that simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, you are ready to serve. And you can top your chili with some fresh cilantro or cheese, and you can also add more salt to taste, but I felt like I didn't need any salt. And then I accompanied my chili with some tortilla chips. And now you're ready to dig in. It's so good, you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Peace out, homies.